हेल्प के लिए है। हॉस्पिटल की तरफ जाइए तुरंत। घूम जाओ घूम जाओ घूम जाओ, वो रख दो गोपेश। शाबाश, इजी इजी इजी।
Alert as to the air raid. The situation would be here is like that the air raid.
2% from CISF and 2% from NCC. They will go to at first floor. See to that everybody is evacuated. दो staircase है यहाँ पे, एक वहाँ पे है, ये क्या है, ठीक है? तो वहाँ से evacuate करके आप first floor पे जितने भी लोग हैं वहाँ से evacuate करके यहाँ नीचे लेके आना है. Second floor पे भी 2 पुलिस, 2 CISF, 2 NCC को इवैक्यूएट करके नीचे लाना है. बाकी वहाँ पे फायर, जो भी फायर के जो आदमी है वो फायर एक्सटिंग्विश कर रहे होंगे, वॉट एवर दे मस्ट बी डूइंग, उसको ज़्यादा ये नहीं करना है. तो इवैक्यूएशन करने में पार्टिसिपेशन होना है. अब स्ट्रेंथ क्योंकि ज़्यादा है तो उसमें से बस हर एक का रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो, हर एक को एक्सपोजर हो, वो करना है. सेकेंड बाकी थोड़ा सा जो बस आएगा इनको लगा दें, ठीक है? तो अभी यहाँ से 4 आदमी यहाँ से.
So today, as a part of Operation Abhyas, so we had a mock exercise here at Daboli Airport, wherein we have simulated a fire scenario in the administrative building of the airport premises, and we had a task of search, rescue, and evacuating the staff belonging to the airport who are stranded in the building. So today, with the help of various stakeholders like NCC cadets, then our Goa police, CISF, and our fire services, we successfully conducted this mock exercise.
Sir, considering the tense situation along the border, कितने additional preparations, because this is a very sensitive area, मोरमुगांव तालुका खातीर कितने additional specific threat alerts जावं अशें कितें आसतलें, sounding of sirens or anything else?
Yeah, sirens will be there. Even for today's mock exercise, there was a siren alert at 4 p.m. So after that, we have started with the exercise.
आणि कितें हा हेच्या ड्रिला भितर सर रातचे लायट उडोवपाचे दितात?
We have planned a blackout at 7:30. So there will be 15 minutes blackout starting from 7:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. in the areas of Daboli, Chikali, and Sankwa.
सर बॉर्डरीचेर जे चालू हा वास्को खातीर म्हणजे मुरमुगांव तालुक्यात कितलो अलर्टनेस जावं पुलीस बंदोबस्ताचे डायरेक्शन अशें कितें दिलां?
Directions are always there. We are always on alert whenever such situation arises. And also the main motive of this conducting this exercise was to check the preparedness of the state agencies, state administration, whenever such hostile attack happens.
Being an airport operator, we regularly conduct this type of exercise. In fact, last 2 weeks back, we conducted this building evacuation drill. This is as per the Ministry of Affairs instruction. We have conducted a drill with the support of state government as well as the CSF. It was successfully we completed the exercise, and things was, if anything future there is any requirement, definitely we will be addressing that.
Considering the tense situation along the border and very crucial airport here,
Yes.
has any commercial flights been affected or more time is being given to the naval flights?
Around 22 airports have been closed in the northern region. There are 2 airports which are, one is Chandigarh and Amritsar Airport and Hindon Airport. These airports have been flights regularly from the Daboli Airport. There are 2 flights today, it is cancelled. And for tomorrow onwards, we can see that what will be the latest picture. As of today, it is only 2 flights are cancelled.
case.
What is your reaction about the whole thing going on?
No, as of now, there is no. In fact, however, we are managing. To any situation, we are prepared and we are ready to face the no problem.
Will there be additional security before considering?
We already have a full CS of security people and already it is there. There is no such issue over there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In a fire evacuation drill, will
Yes.
you be going for a blackout or some more drills?
No, as of now, there is no blackout requirement either. Only the mock drill has to be instructed by the state government that we have already conducted.
घूम जाओ वो रख दो वो भी शाबाश इजी इजी